Hello friend, welcome to Phone Rating YouTube channel. This video discuss about by Tecno Phantom V Fold 2 mobile full review, specification and price. So let's start my video. Price coming soon. Brand Tecno. Category smartphones. Added on 13 September 2024. Last updated 21st October 2024. Release 2024 October. OS Android 14 up to two major upgrades. Display 7.85 2000x 2296 pixels. Camera 50 megapixel 2160p. RAM 12 GB RAM. Dimensity 9000 plus. Battery 5750 mAh 70W 15W. Overall rating. The overall rating is based on review by or experts. Design 10 per 8. Connectivity 10 per 10. Display 10 per 7. Features 10 per 9. Performance 10 per 6. Display 10 per 10. Battery 10 per 10. Camera 10 per 6. Usability 10 per 8. Pro and cons. Pros. Foldable AMOLED display 120Hz refresh. Dimensity 9000 plus with 12 GB RAM. Triple 50 megapixel rear camera with 32 megapixel selfie. Stereo speakers in display. Fingerprint NFC. 5750 mAh battery with 70W charging. Cons. IP54 certification only. No 3.5 audio jack. Specification. Prices. Expected price coming soon. Launch. Announced 2024 September 13. Status. Available release 2024 October. Network. Technology GSM, HSP, LTE, 5G. 2G bands. GSM 850, 900, 1800, 1900 SIM1 and SIM2 dual SIM model only. 3G bands. HSGPA 850, 900, 1700, AWS 1900, 2100. 4G bands 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 12, 17, 20, 28, 34, 38, 39, 40, 41, 66. 5G bands 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 12, 20, 28, 38, 40, 41, 66, 77, 78 SA per NSA. Speed HSP LTE 5G. Body dimensions unfolded 156x 140.4x 6.1 mm folded 159x 72.2x 11.8 12 nm. Weight 249 G 8.78 OZ. SIM dual SIM nano SIM dual standby. Others IP54 dust and splash resident. Stylus support. Display type foldable LTPO AMOLED 1B colors 120Hz. Size 7.85 inches 196.9 cm to 88.2% screen to body ratio. Resolution 2000x 2296 pixels 388 ppi density. Cover display. Features LTPO AMOLED 1B colors 120Hz 1600 nits peak. Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 6.42 inches 1080x 2550 pixels 481 ppi. Platform OS Android 14 up to major Android upgrades HIOS 14 Fold. Chipset Mediatek Dimensity 9000 plus 4 nm. CPU octa-core 1x 3.20 GHz Cortex X2 and 3x 2.85 GHz Cortex A710 and 4x 1.80 GHz Cortex A510. GPU Mali G710 MC10. Memory card slot no. Internal 512 GB UFS. RAM 12 GB. Variant 12 GB 512 GB. Main camera triple 50 megapixel f 1.923 wide 1.3 1.2 PRM PDF OIS. 50 megapixel f 2.050 telephoto 2.8 0.64 PRM PDF 2x optical zoom 50 megapixel f 2.2 115 ultra wide PDF. Features dual LED flash HDR panorama. Video 4K at 30 fps 180p at 60 fps. Selfie camera single 32 megapixel f 2.5 wide 12.8 0.8 PRM. Cover camera Video 32 megapixel f 2.5 wide 2.8 0.8 PRM 1080p at the rate 30 fps. Sound loudspeaker yes with stereo speakers. 3.5 mm jack no. 24 bit 192K Z high res audio. Connectivity WLAN Wi-Fi 802.11 ABG and AC6 A dual band. Bluetooth 5.3 DPLE GPS GLONASS Galileo BDS. NFC yes, FM radio yes, USB Type C OTG, infrared port no. Features sensors, fingerprint, under display optical accelerometer, gyro proximity compass. Battery type non removal LiPo. Capacity 5750 mAh. Charging 70W wide 50% in 20 minutes, 10% 100% in 49 minutes. Advertised 50W wireless. More made by China. Color blue green. Techno Phantom V Fold 2 price in Bangladesh November 2024. The Techno Phantom V Fold 2 is now available is in one variant 512GB 12GB RAM. Now Techno Phantom V Fold 2 price is coming in Bangladesh. Phantom V Fold 2 has a 5750 mAh battery with 70W fast charging. With this device is running with Android 14 and is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9000 plus 4nm chipset. Model Techno Phantom V Fold 2. Price coming soon. Display 7.85 2000x 2296 pixels. RAM 12GB. ROM 512GB. Release 2024 October. Techno Phantom V Fold 2 highlight. Techno Phantom V Fold 2 will be launched in October 2024. Phantom V Fold 2 launched with the model number unknown. Firstly, its dimensional measure is unfolded 159x 140.4x 6.1 mm folded 159x 72.2 x 11.8 12 mm and the weight is 249 grams. Secondly, the display of the Phantom V Fold 2 is a 7.85 inch AMOLED panel with a 2000x 2296 pixels resolution. The display is protected from Corning Gorilla Glass. Thirdly, and most importantly, it is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9000 plus 4nm and runs with Android 14. Moreover, it has an octa-core 1x 3.20 GHz codec, x2 and 3x 2.85 GHz codec A710 and 4x 1.80 GHz codec A510 CPU. Techno Phantom V Fold 2 phone has a 3-camera setup on the back. This formation consists of a 50 megapixel and 50 megapixel main camera. It has a 32 megapixel and 32 megapixel selfie camera inside the punch hole of the display. The video recording capability is 4K at the rate 30 fps, 180p at the rate 30 60 fps. According its RAM and ROM, it has 112GB 512GB variants. On the other hand, it can support up to micro SD using a shared SIM slot card. Mainly, the platform Phantom V Fold 2 has a 5750 mAh battery with 70W fast charging. It has a dual nano SIM card slot. That is to say, Phantom V Fold 2 is 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G supportable. The fingerprint sensor is under the display. On the other hand, among the other features there, he will end by Bluetooth and USB port. Your question and your opinion about the V Fold 2 5G. Which question you will have about this phone? Let's justify this. There we are including the major question and answers about this phone. So let's start now. When it will be released? It will launch in October 2024. What is the price of the Techno Phantom V Fold 2? The price of the Techno Phantom V Fold 2 is coming soon. How much RAM and ROM does it contain? It has one variant of 12GB in RAM and one variant of 512GB in ROM, but overall you can get one variant 512GB 12GB in the market. Which type of the display panel is used in it? It comes with a 7.85 AMOLED display panel with a 2000x 2796 pixel resolution. How are the processor and chipset? It contains a MediaTek Dimensity 9000 plus RNM. What are the camera and video capabilities? The three camera setup on the back is 50,000 50 mAh plus 50 megapixel plus 50 megapixel plus and a 32 megapixel plus 32 megapixel plus selfie camera. The video recording capability is 4K at the rate 30 fps, 1080p at the rate 3060 fps. Does it support a 5G network? Yes, it supports a 5G network with 2G, 3G and 4G. How the battery capacity is? The battery capacity is a 5750 mAh live polymer battery with a 70W fast charging. What sensor does this phone have? Fingerprint, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, campus sensor. Which country have and company manufactured it? Techno manufactured it and this phone is made in China. Reason to buy. In this paragraph, we are going to describe the important measure to buy this. Why did a person buy this smartphone? Firstly, when anyone wants to buy a device, they find out the premium things on the device according to their price. So let us find out some eligible items that are in Phantom V Fold 2 5G or verdict. In conclusion, we are giving our verdict on this device. If you want to buy the best 5G smartphone under 130k taka, then Techno Phantom V Fold 2 will be in the first row among the best smartphone. Dear friend, if you have an attraction to online games like Free Fire and PUBG Mobile and so on, then you can buy them because it has RAM and a well processor using the MediaTek Dimensity 9000 plus 4nm chipset. If you want a big backup on charge, then you can buy this because it has a huge 5750 mAh battery. In addition, it's a 5G supportable smartphone, so you can get network facilities on it. However, it has a 3 cam setup with a 50 megapixel primacy primary camera, so it's the image and video capability may be well. Therefore, to judge all of these reasons, you can buy this. तो दोस्तों आज की वीडियो के लिए सिर्फ इतना ही। मैं मिलता हूँ अगली वीडियो के अंदर, तब तक के लिए बाय।